Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video. Today we will have a detailed look on one of the company whose IPO is going to launch on 14th November 2022. So let's have a look on the IPO details of Keystone Realtors Ltd. So the bidding date starts on 14th November 2022 and ends on 16th November 2022. The price range is between 514 rupees to 541 rupees. The issue size is of 635 crores. The minimum investment for this IPO is 13,878 rupees for 27 shares. Now let's have a look on the important dates of the company. So the opening date start on 14 November 2022. The closing date is on 16 November 2022. The basis of allotment will be on 21st November 2022 and the refund will be given to all those who doesn't get the share on 22nd November 2022 and the shares will be credited to your demat account on 23 November 2022 and the listing date on the stock market is on 24th November 2022. So this was the important dates of the company. Now let's have a look on about what the company is. So the company was incorporated on 1995. The Keystone Realtor is one of the prominent real estate developer. The company is engaged primarily in the business of real estate construction, development and other related activities in India. The company has recently covered 32 projects as per June 2022. 12 ongoing projects are going to happen and 21 upcoming projects across the Mumbai metropolitan region, which includes a range of products under the affordable mid and mass premium category, which will be done under the brand name Rustumi. Now let's have a look why the company is raising fund through IPO. So there are two main reasons. The first one is for the repayment or the prepayment in full or part of current borrowings availed by the company or to be certain to its subsidiaries. And second, funding acquisitions of future real estate projects and general corporate purpose. Now let's have a look on the competitors in the same sector market. So the main competitor of this company will be DLF, who is actually mainly situated near Mumbai, Delhi and many more cities. The second one is Godrej Properties and the third one is OB Reality. So you can just pause the video and watch all the companies name carefully with its all fundamental key highlights of the companies. Now we will have a look on the quarterly results of the company. So in quarterly results, sales of the company has increases twicely from June 2021 to June 2022, whereas the operating profit of the company on June 2021 was 1.46 crores, whereas in June 2022 it's 4.1 crores. The net profit, which comes out after deducting all the expenses and tax, so on June 2021 it was around negative 97 lakhs, and whereas in June 2022 it's almost around 4.22 crores. So you can have a look that over here the OPM, which is operating profit margin of the company, is very less. On June 2021 it was 1.74%, whereas in June 2022 it's 2.43%. So it's really very less. That's why the net profit of the company is very less. So now let's have a look on the profit and loss account of the company. So in profit and loss, the sales of the company has increases over time. On March 2021 it was 850 crores, whereas in March 2022 it's almost 1270 crores. The operating profit of the company as per March 2021 was 102 crores, whereas in March 2022 it has increases over time to 177 crores. But over here the OPM, which is operating profit margin of the company, is good. As on March 2021 it was 12%, whereas in March 2022 it's almost around 14%. The net profit, which comes out after deducting tax and other expenses, so as on March 2021 it was around 232 crores, whereas in March 2022 it's a little bit downside, which is around 136 crores. Eventually the EPS, which is earning per share of the company, as on March 2021 was 31 rupees, whereas in March 2022 it's almost 14 rupees. So the net profit on March 2021 was more than March 2022, just because the company gets other income of amounts 330 crores and the company's interest is also more, which is around 139 crores. So which results in the more net profit as compared to March 2022. So this is the overall profit and loss account of the company. Now let's have a look on the balance sheet of the company. So in balance sheet, we can't compare with any other dates because we only have the data of June 2022. So we can see that in the borrowings, the company has a huge borrowing of 1500 crores approximately, and the company has other liabilities which may be in a form of long-term loans. So it is around again 1400 crores. But if you see over on the fixed assets, it's around 33 crores, which maybe includes in form of machinery, in form of land, building, anything, and investment is around 570 crores, whereas the other assets of the company, which maybe includes in inventory, is around 3,307 crores. So basically you can see the company's borrowings, the short term borrowings and the long term borrowings is very high, which is, if you plus all of them, is around 3,000 crores. But if you see over there, the fixed assets of the company is very less. On the other hand, investment is good, but the other assets, we doesn't know about that what it is, but maybe in a form of inventory it's a little bit less amount, so it is little bit risky over here. Now let's have a look on the holdings of the company. The promoters hold before the IPO was launched around 96.71%, and when the company got listed on the stock exchange, the promoters holding will be 87.92%. So this is the overall detail about the company. So now my own view about this company. So I personally think that the borrowings of the company is very high, and the debt to equity ratio will be really very high, so which will be around 1.2, something around that. So something with that high amount of debt to equity ratio, which maybe results in a bad sign. And there is again a something bad sign which is coming over there, and that is the profit and loss account of the company. As on March 2021, the company gets more profit as compared to March 2022 in form of other income. But overall you can see that the company is good one. So if you ask me personally, I am not applying for this IPO just because of the balance sheet, and if you are just doing it for the listing purpose, then maybe there is a chance you can just have a deal before the IPO by seeing how much persons have applied for this IPO, so that you can get the more benefits in form of listing gains. But if you are thinking for the long term, maybe it shouldn't be a good one. So this is not a buy or sell recommendation video. This is just for your personal knowledge. Do your own analysis before investing. Thank you so much for spending some time with us. We will back with another topic. Till then, bye and have a nice day. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share with your friends and family. Bye bye and have a nice day. Bye bye.